Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tutor, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn how we can make the gold material which will look a metallic gold in 3ds Max. Okay, how we can do that in simple and easy steps. First of all, create a scene as I already done in this part. So my model is ready with the reflection object, and the base part there's a text, 3D text. So we are going to put the metallic look in 3ds Max, the text part in the scene. Go to the material editor, click on material and select get material and choose the V-Ray material. From the diffuse you can select the base part or base material. I am going to select a little dark yellow, as this is my base color, and reflection light color of the same. You can give the difference value and check whatever the result is best for you. You can select them. Choose the reflection glossiness 0.9, max depth 7, and uncheck the Fresnel reflection. Now we have the gold values. This material will be applied to our object. So select the material and apply the material. Go to the center setting part, V-Ray quick setting for interior, and press render. It will take some time, so that I'm going to check a small area. It will be rendered very quickly. It is getting appeared in the image. So the yellow part is very tough and it's not looking good. So I'm going to change the reflection color some lighter, and now render. Here you can see our rose gold is ready. Let it be done first. I will explain step by step what is the parameters we need to follow to make this type of material. Either it is silver, gold, or any other metallic, or the all depends on three things. First is your reflection part. Okay, when you understand the reflection, you will understand the metal and the material you want to use in 3ds Max for your project. And the second is the color values. The color values are so important to look the same as in the real your material. Okay, and the third is lighting part. Okay, these three parameters we need to follow to look it very real. So we will see such parameters in our 3ds Max, how we can manage these parameters. Cancel it. We'll do the full rendering in the last. Okay, first of all, go to the material editor. In the material parameter, you need to understand in V-Ray there's a V-Ray material, and this V-Ray material has three options. The first is diffuse option, which is the base color. The object will be this color will be applied to the object, and this is the base color, a simple color. You can provide the values from here. Any color you want as a base color, you can put the value here. Second is the reflection. See, a reflection is a parameter. So as I'm taking it blue, for example, make it blue, and you can see there's a no reflection. It's just a matte color. Whenever you put the value in the reflection, okay, or you decrease the value, this actually is the value. As you goes in the black part, it will be go to 0. As you will go to the white part or minimize this drop down or arrow, you will see the reflection. This is the parameter that how percent you want to give the reflection to your object. However, you need to put the value here. So I'm going to reduce it 0.9. Here you can see the reflection is appeared in the image or in the material browser. And the third is our Fresnel reflection. This is additional apart from our topic. And the third one is refraction. Refraction refers to the transparency of the object or the material. As you reduce, it will get transparent from the browser. Okay, so these are the values we need to understand, and this is the first part of material, and second is the background which will be reflect on your object, and the third is lighting. You need to set these three things for a metallic look. Okay, now go to the camera and hit render. We'll have the full rendering and you can see the result. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe our videos on YouTube channel and share with your friends. If you want any other topic in 3ds Max, make sure write in comment. Thank you.